Okay, we're gonna go do a quick test drive here. Now, if you see any of the flickering on the screens here on the gauges, I don't see it really right now, but if you do, that would be just in camera, not in person. Sometimes the camera kind of trips out with little lighting. Turn on the climate control here. Speed in it. May not translate in camera, but I can definitely hear that exhaust just kind of crackling. Sounds really, really good. Alright, hitting the brakes in 3, 2, 1. No, brakes are solid. They have a good bite to them, really nice. Shifting the car is nice and easy. Really no complaints there. That was getting on it pretty good, so it doesn't have a lot of power, but it's still fun. No complaints of drivability. Steering wheel's straight, alignment feels good, shifting is nice and smooth, gorgeous interior. Got the AC on. It's not the coldest, but it is blowing pretty cold. It's a really humid day though, but it does have AC. Really no complaints, so like I said, very, very cool car. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. We're just going to go panel by panel, engine bay, interior, wheels, tires, basically everything on this car, and then take it out for a drive. Got the Nitto NT555 G2s, 235 4517, date code 2025, so these are pretty much brand new. Looking at that wheel, I don't see any curb rash. It's in phenomenal condition. Looks good. Here on the paint. Looks incredible. The weather stripping here is perfect. Have a little rock chip there, a couple small impacts. See how clean all of that is. This paint is beautiful though. If you look down here, you do have a lot of rock impacts and chips. And you have this protecting that little section, but looking around it, it's still really, really clean. Chip right there. Lower side looks good here on this wheel. It's in great condition. Date code 2025 315 3517. Super wide. Headlights crystal clear. Looking across the hood. A couple spots of bug splatter. As far as rock impacts go, really not seeing any. See how clean all of that is. I do see a rock chip there, a couple of them. Looking at the lens, looks good. A couple rock chips on that front end. I'm gonna see some down low. So we're to see them mainly on this piece. But as far as the hood goes, I see one actually right there. But the rest of that is incredibly clean. That looks really good. Headlights crystal clear. You do have a large chip right there that they tried to touch up. The color's wrong though. Looking at that fender, looks good. Wheels look good. A few little impacts on the side mirror. Looks good. You have some chips on the door edge. That side's really clean, so it must have been repainted at some point recently. That looks good. Do have some little markings there. Checking out that wheel. Looks amazing. All of this is just really, really nice. Very impressed. Exhaust tips look good. A couple chips here. Lighting looks good though. And then looking at the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful leather seats. All black. Everything just looks incredible in here, just like the outside. Looking at that door panel, looks good. Leather's nice and soft. It's on there secure, got the focal audio. Looks good. Checking out the jams. Here on this trim, on the weather stripping, that did get ripped. That looks good. That bolster's nice and clean. Same with that edge. I mean, the seats look pretty much brand new. Here in the steering wheel, looks absolutely perfect. Minus the stitching right here is a little dingy. You can see it's not as white. Something may have spilled on there just from your hands. But the leather around it, I think that's leather. Whatever the material is, I believe it is leather, but look how clean that is. Upper side of the dash looks good. A little bit of wear right there. Otherwise, it's clean. A lot of this just looks really good. Here on this door panel, all of that looks amazing. Leather is incredibly clean. All of this looks nice. Here in the jams, those look amazing. Checking out the door edge, that looks good. That trim looks perfect. Looking at the carpets and floor mats here, look good. That bolster looks perfect. Super soft. Upper side looks good. Really, really nice. Now I do see some scuffs right there and there. Rest that looks good. Upper side of the dash, just trying to scan through what I can. That looks like it's in great condition. Same here, headliner looks good. Beautiful, beautiful interior. Looking out back here, looking at the seats. From what I can tell, they look good. Couple little scuffs, but for the most part, really, really clean. Kind of getting close on that headliner. Looks good. Checking out the back. Looks really good. Then we're gonna scan through this engine bay. Man, it looks good. it's kind of dark in there, but doing the best I can at trying to peek around the corners.